Third duel of the night. Come on. Oh, what's going on here? Okay. Settings. I don't know what this is right here. What is this? This wasn't here before. What is that? It's like little symbols. Still haven't put on my sleeve or changed the card to rush duels. But I'm back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's look into the brains. Round 1. Okay, like what do I do here? Go for that. Don't even have another Drytron. Oh, look at that, actually. I could get another Drytron if I send this guy to the grave, but I won't be able to normal summon again. Gamma. Tribute. Ben 10. Special. Ben 10. I'll get another Ben 10. Draw them off, still dump something in the grave for that. Be able to do that. That's okay. Dawn Knights. Probably should have went for a Zeus play. Now I could go for I'm gonna go Nightmare Phoenix, but I could go Union Carrier. Dawn Knight effect is going to dump Zeta. No, wait, I can't even do it. I can't even add. Let's say add? Yeah, I can't even add. Yes. I'll dump the Zeta for now. Oh yeah. Union Carrier, target himself, and equip it with Lancia. I'm just gonna battle. Union Carrier, attack his face down monster. Oh no, it's Dinos. And phase 2. Fernando. Got the OG Raigeki. Oh. Ah, no! Here it comes. UCT, Ultimate Conductor Tyranno. But I'm gonna Regeki next turn. Unless he OTKs me. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Unless he negates Regeki. Or he uses Miscellaneousaurus. Oh, I know what he's doing. Can I pop him? Okay. Oh, another one? Oh, and then he gets Giant Rex back because it was banished. That's game right here. Yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah, that's just game. I should attack with over up there. Nope. It's still game, I think, yeah. No! Oh, what? If he negates this, I'm gonna bait him. Watch this. In capitals. GG, bro. I just got baited. I could just negate it, but what's the point? No. Stop. You're on YouTube. You're on YouTube. Say hi. Hey, Geki. Woo! Okay. Where do we go from here? Nope. Okay. Like this. Man, that music is just so nerve-wracking. Ben 10. I mean, we can. Oh, just go for Vandy's Jeweler right now. Yeah, go for Vandy's Jeweler, and what's he gonna do? Activate Zeta. Should be Natasha. Zeta's effect. Get the medium DRYTRON. What do I have in here? Medium Strytron. Go Benton. Zeta. And then normal summon. Tribute summon. For Vanity's Ruler. Benton's effect, gonna get the Eva. And we're gonna battle. Then Karibo, direct attack. Vanity's Ruler, direct attack. You can't normal special summon. And then if he has a monster effect, that's game. Let's do wins. Flawless victory. Okay. So I usually do just these. I think I'm gonna do Drollin, Lockbird, and Nibiru this time. Yeah, Drollin, Lockbird, and then Nibiru. That's it. Open the Nibiru. Yes! Oh wait. He could just Miscellaneosaurus Nibiru. Damn it. Miss. Oh. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, orange lit. So I can Nibiru now. Huh. Yes! Okay, its other effect goes off, but... I think that's 2. Let me just try to bluff him here. That's good enough. That's it? Ah, yes. That's it, huh? If we just turn that token into a Link Karibo. Oh, it's funny. I could. Thanks for the token. Cyber emergency. This is gonna get Alpha. Alpha to the Delta. He's gonna drill and Lockbird me. That's Ben 10. Nova. That is for Zeta. Need Zeta in the grave now. I could do... Oh, I could just do these 2. Yeah, I could. Huh. Union Carrier. Hold on here. Hold on. Zeta. Keep it Benton. Special. Activate effect. Oh no, I'm not gonna have that. I'm not gonna be able to do Delta. Oh wait, yeah I could. Yeah I could. Second Ben 10. Delta Ben 10. Effect. Reveal a ritual spell or monster. Draw a card. Come on. Artifact lands to Ben 10. Let's go another Ben 10. Union carrier, target himself. That is gonna be Dawn Knight. Let's see my grave here. Wow. Okay. Mediana strike. Let's do wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. 3 for 3, guys. 3 for 3. If I do one more. If I do the 4th duel, I'll do the 4th duel, but I don't know right now. That might be the last one. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.